Ofensala soup. This is a rich and authentic soup you need to try today. And by the way, this soup is easy, delicious, and it is flavorful. Hello, sweet fingers lovers. Welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Ofensala recipe. These are all the ingredients you need in order to make your soup. Your uziza leaves, our grated pepper, our pepper soup spice, crayfish, our dry fish and onion, our stock fish and cat dry fish, that's catfish, the dried one, our offals, that's shaki parboiled, ginger and garlic paste, seasoning cube, our chicken, and also our yam. And these are all the most important ingredients you need. So in a pot, you're just going to add your chicken and also your shaki, add onion and seasoning cube to this, then our ginger and garlic paste to it. Then we're just going to mix this together and allow it to steam between 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. After 5 minutes, we're just going to add water to this so our protein can get cooked. Then I'm going to add our yam to this. Mix together. At this stage, I'm just trying to make sure everything is properly seated inside the pot. Then we're going to add our stock fish, then cover and allow it to get cooked between 15 to 20 minutes. So after that, we're just going to stir and bring out our yam and then blend the yam, because the yam is what we're going to use as a thickener for our soup. Then we're going to add our grated pepper, our washed dry fish. Mind you, this dry fish is not hard. I would say if your fish is hard, I'll always suggest you put it ahead of time so it can get soft faster. Then we're going to add our crayfish, our pepper soup spice, and also our ogiri. That is the fermented locust beans. Then we're going to mix this together and then cover and allow it to get cooked for another 7 minutes. While this is boiling, all I had to do was just to blend my yam or pound my yam, depending on which one is better for you. So I'm just going to add my pounded yam inside my soup to serve as a thickener. And you don't have to worry because it is going to melt inside your soup. So we're just going to stir together, make sure it's properly seated. You don't have to worry, it's not going to form any lumps because it's going to dissolve inside your soup. Then we're just going to cover it. I covered it and allow it to sit for another 5 to 6 minutes. And after that, can you see everything is properly dissolved inside our soup, and our soup is already becoming thick. And I also suggest you don't have to make your soup too thick, because when it cools down it becomes more thicker. So at this stage, I will always advise you to taste your soup to adjust its seasoning. I tasted mine, then I realized I've not added salt, so I added a little bit of salt and also our uziza leaf. Then I'm going to mix together, cover and allow it to sit between 1 to 2 minutes on a medium heat. And after that, time for us to serve. So, do you want to guess which swallow I pair this with? And by the way, the perfect swallow to pair your Ofensala with is with pounded yam or semo, depending on your choice. So, let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Would you recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.